Oh, pretty girl.
Over there.
Yeah.
Neato. Hi, how are you? Actually, yeah, we'll take one.
It's been a few years since I've been in here.
Probably not really gonna
No.
use it, but oh, look at
I'd
it.
be curious. It's been years since I've been in.
To get past the gate here, you just scan that barcode.
Awesome. Thanks so much. Thanks, you too.
Oh, hi, there's a pug.
Anyway, excited?
There's a pug. Are you excited?
Penny, are you going hiking?
Are you excited?
You wanna go for a hike? You wanna go for a hike? Are you gonna go?
Well, what's up? We decided to take a trip today and come up north a little bit. It's just north of our house. Hey, there's Penny. Hey, Penny.
Hi, Pen. Oh, you wanna go? You wanna go for a hike? It's cold.
Sansak?
She's left. Too many coats on her?
Touch it to yours because it's easier.
It's a little red.
Haven't been up here in years. This is all new, that's for sure. We're up north in the Bruce Peninsula in Ontario here. Just going out on the hiking trails to the Grotto. Don't live too far from here during part of the year, so I thought we'd come up in midweek when no one's around and come see the Grotto. It's an absolutely beautiful place. Summertime, this place is packed with tourists, so we usually try to avoid it. Being local to the area, this is usually when we try to come up and do this stuff in the winter. Penny's totally excited. But for now, we're just gonna get our hike on. We're gonna get into the Grotto. So yeah, enjoy. It's the Horse Lake Trail. Whichever way you want. Whichever way you want. Let's go. I wonder if it was that big one we saw when we walked in. So huge, the big woodpecker, and he was not having any of it. He just kept flying away from us the whole time. Ooh, you gotta be careful, she's slippery in here. You definitely want good footwear for this trek. Plenty of options for steps to come down into this little pocket. Just gotta be careful, mindful of your stepping. What?
Oh, she just slipped.
Yeah, it's ice everywhere. Even puppies need footwear. Gotta be careful in here this time of year. Usually these rocks are well underwater, but we are really low on the Great Lakes right now, so they are not underwater. Oh, look at the color of that. Would you ever believe that that is a freshwater lake?
Yeah, you could be sneaky right now and just take a picture of that and be like, guess what southern country I'm in.
Oh, guess what island I'm on? Look at how blue the water is.
Just kidding.
Just kidding.
Northern Bruce Peninsula.
Yeah. No, the weather's not bad.
So
it
we're
could
wearing
be a lot
ball
worse.
caps instead of tubes.
Yeah.
Doggy.
Foggy. Foggy doggy.
You good?
Hi, dog. What are you doing? What are you doing down there, Pen? Hi. Too bad you couldn't jump off the cliff anymore.
You can't? Charge?
Oh, yeah. Speaking of snow. Nope, we smoked too soon. There's a big snow. Look at that over Georgian Bay, actually, back towards Collingwood.
Yeah. I love Chinese excitement. Like she just has that like inquisitive. See a little cave in here.
Squishing your head. I'm squishing your head. I'm squishing your head. Only old school Canadian TV would probably get that. It's crazy how tropical looking the water is here. And this is Georgian Bay. Beautiful spot. So if you're curious about any of the products that we use throughout the making of these vlogs and any of our activities, we are now Amazon affiliates. So all the links to anything that we use and more are down in the description below. I appreciate the support. Helps us bring some more videos and entertaining content to you guys. Greatly appreciate the support, the love, and the comments has been amazing. So I'd like to keep it going. So check anything out down in the description. That's pretty. So much to see and do, but you got to be very careful, especially in the winter. Super slippery. Oh, super slippery. Wear your proper boots. Love it. So I'm jumping in between GoPro and my phone because I'm using that new Ulanzi rig, so I'm just trying to keep one in my coat just to keep batteries warm. That way I'm not wasting any juice. Absolutely stunning in here though. Beautiful place. This is absolutely breathtaking. Gorgeous. Unbelievable. Stunning, absolutely gorgeous. Still can't believe that stuff like this is in my own backyard. That's beautiful. And be careful. What are you doing? Oh, how's it going down there? Not so bad. Yes, please be careful. Oh, hello. That's the sound of the police.
Whoop, whoop. Yeah. Oh, I thought that was a fish. Shadow.
No, it's a bear.
Yeah, it's pretty neat over here. There's like a little, it's like, this looks like flower pot.
Yeah.
And you can climb in behind. I mean, you can't go far, but...
For anybody wondering what Flowerpot Island looks like, we'll put a picture in right here. It's just a stacked rock formation, and the way it goes out, it's pretty rad.
Oh, hello, sunshine.
Hey Penny, which way did she go? Apparently your mom missed the cue. Penny, which way did she go?
She chose down.
She chose down. So today I'm shooting on something a little different. I've got a new little handheld vlogging rig from Ulanzi. The link will be down in the description below. It's a great pistol grip, holds your cell phone vertical, horizontal. Also gives you range of motion to have the GoPro mounted on the back side. I've got full external mic right up on top of here, on top of the rig. Plugs right into the iPhone or into the GoPro. It's really good. I think it was only like 20 bucks too on Amazon. So like I said, there'll be a link down in the description below. It's a great product for anybody looking for a good handheld rig. So check it out. Beautiful, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Isn't it? You know, isn't it?
As the English said.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Hard to believe.
What do you think, Pug? Penny. Penny. She didn't care anymore. She just wants to go.
Penny, what are you doing up there?
She's waiting to hike. You want to hike? Yeah.
Right.
Mom put me on a leash for safety purposes, and I don't like it.
I don't like it. Oh, pretty girl.
This whole thing?
This whole thing. Look at the color of that water. Oh, there's the sunshine. It's supposed to peek out at some point today. We're getting blue skies behind us now. Nice day. Look at the color of that water. Pugs and tubs and pugs and tubs and pugs and tubs. Well, it's been an absolutely beautiful day out here.
Stunner. Absolutely stunning.
Very thankful and very grateful to have this in our backyard. You should be getting out and exploring what's in your backyard.
Agree.
For now, we're gonna get out of here. Thanks for the support. Make sure you leave a comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
Geeky Lake.
Oh, Geeky Lake.
So stay tuned to see what kind of adventures we get up to next.
Thanks for watching.